Okay. We got... Who that? That's...
It's really dark in here, you know, Mom.
We got 3 guinea pigs there. There's the first one right there. And then one right there. And then one over right there. Oh, wait. Where's the other guinea pig?
He's over there.
Oh. Oh, they're cute. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here's the action. Here's the action.
Oh boy.
And then we stop and smell a few buns. Oh, man. What's happening?
Oh boy.
Oh.
Stop spilling your stuff out of the bowl.
Oh, my God. That's Luella.
Stop to take a poop break.
Lulu. You can't really tell who's who because...
It's really dark in here. The light's bad.
Oh, boy. We can't go close. Oh, how did it get brighter?
I moved.
It's so dark in here.
I feel like I'm crying.
Oh my God.
Okay, Mom.
So good. It's so dark. It's so dark. Wait, it's bright. Oh my God.
It's bright again. Dun, dun, dun.
I turned off the light and now it's dark. Oh. Just a baby. Oh, she's deep. Oh,
I had a silent fart a little while ago.
good.